Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Roblox login devices. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The session management is the where you log in section within your account security setting will show all login session along with approximate regional location, last active timing, and device for each session. For this view, other than the you're currently in. So, what if you want to check your login device, the active session on your Roblox account? It's very simple. So first we have to open the Roblox. You can open in your mobile phone or your PC. Now, here's I'm logged in with my laptop. Now you can go to others. There's an option others or the three dots over here. You can click on that. Click left. Now you can go to settings. Click on the gear icon in here. You can go to security under the account information. And here's on the security, here's all the active session or where you log in with your Roblox account. And if you find there is an unrecognized device logged in with your Roblox account, you can just remove the session by just click on the here, and you can just log out of session. It's very simple, right? Here's all the session. Here's my current session, Roblox Windows apps that I'm logged in right now. I'm using right now, and here's the others session. If you want to log out, you can just click on here on an arrow. Yes, click on log out of session. It's very simple, right? It will help you to recognize if there is an unrecognized device that logged in with your Roblox account. So that is how to check Roblox login devices. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!